Good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, we woke up. It's a little.
It rained hard.
Oh my gosh, it rained really hard last night. It poured.
Like
so.
fools, we didn't pick anything up.
Yep, so now everything's wet. We left our tub out. It's got water all on top of it. Water in. Oh, look at my hammock. It's a little soggy. Very wet. Oh. Well, at least my pillow didn't blow away. We even left the grill out. In the beams.
Wow, it is so dirty. It's amazing how much sand is dragged in there. Well, I might have put too much water in. Look at that. Look, 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 look. That's amazing. It does it like that. All that water not giving it a full flame.
Waiting for my coffee water.
All right. So it's 74 right now. Tomorrow morning it's going to be 69. You love that.
I like it when it's steaming, so it means it's hot. Why is it making weird noise? Doesn't seem quite as steamy as the last time, though.
Give it a second.
Ooh, that's hot. Okay. Where's your oatmeal?
We have to add that, put the water back into the pot.
Oh, you need some tea water.
Yeah. Put this in. Here, baby.
You grab my thermos.
Where's it at?
It's in the tub over there.
Watching us camp while we're camping.
Why not? So funny. Can't see your head.
Mm-hmm.
Can't see your head. And then you just pop out. Isn't that funny? It works great. My little tea kettle. Instead of heating up like water and then heating up more water, heat that dang thing up. It does all of our stuff with the tea kettle instead of keep having to add water
Oh, I know,
to
it's
boil.
great.
This thing, you add it and we can do our oatmeal, our coffee, and our tea instead of waiting.
I mean, like literally, we used to like, takes forever to get breakfast ready.
So this is nice. It works great.
Lily.
Freaking goof. Silly girl, you're getting daddy. There's Dad. There's Mom. Go get him. Go get Dad. She says, Dad, I'm done. Hey, Mama. Mommy, I'm tired. She says, Mommy, I'm tired.
Are you down to the bottom?
Yeah, it's like, look at that. It's like thick. Ugh. Okay, let's go. This is beautiful. Look at the morning. Right? Look at that beautiful morning. This is the life right here. If this records good, I'll be walking around with this thing taped to my chest at all times. I'll walk into stores like this. Don't mind me.
Your normal self.
I'm acting normal. You act normal. Oh, I almost thought it was like foggy there for a moment. That's just the sand at the bottom. It's amazing how clear it is. Is that a fish?
Possibly.
Possibly a gator.
Possibly.
What are you doing, Lily? You silly girl.
That might have been, that was one of the worst storms we've spent in the truck.
Oh gosh, it was loud too. Yeah. Getting drier?
Yep.
The sun will dry it out.
Well, we're getting to that point where we have to pick up now. I just stand here. There's still water in this thing.
Okay, well, what a nice footage. Daddy and Miss Lily. Alright. I might use this as our birdie bed.
Oh, that's a great idea. think that's everything that goes actually on the bed. Everything is so dirty. We made a huge error. Oh no.
Everything is way dirty.
We're gonna have to clean the whole camper.
Everything's wet, sandy.
Oh well.
I think the dog, oh funny. Let me flip it around. You think she's ready to go?
Yeah.
She's sitting in the truck. How hilarious. What are you doing, Lily? You waiting to go? This stuff's all wet. You know? Ew.
Is to drop it.
Yep. Okay, let me. Oh, you got it zipped?
Look at this. We really messed up.
But what? Oh, it's all drippy.
There's a puddle in it before I dripped it. Oh boy, we really messed up.
Nothing we can do about that now. Unhooked.
Yeah, I'll take down the tent.
Unhooked. Unhooked.
You want to take this side and have a different view?
No, nope, you go right ahead. We work well as a team.
That is the one problem with the sandy soil, is they come out too easy.
Oh, puddle. Okay, now flip it center.
It's wet. We have to set it up at home. It's wet and dirty. I don't want to get down on this and fold it.
No, me neither. Dude, this mug, geez, thick.
Yeah, all that rain last night in the soil and
Gonna work?
there. At least all the moisture is getting dirt is contained. Not that it really matters, but
Lily, you working hard, aren't you, dog?
we're gonna wait for the
Oh, I was sitting there going, where's the GoPro?
burn another one, baby.
Where's the GoPro at? Thank goodness I was smart enough to put this stand inside last night.
And we didn't even take down the hammock.
Soaking wet.
We are so stupid. I am like a fucking moron. I even knew about this. That's the worst part.
Yeah, we knew it was gonna rain.
I know better than this. You don't know better. I know better. I'm the dumbass in this group.
Yeah, we're almost all packed up now.
Yes.
Oh, it's starting to get like really humid out.
It's a problem in Florida and it rains at night. You know, it gets into the sand and in the heat of the day, it just cooks
It's
up.
like a steam.
It's clearly a
steamy.
sauna. And it's what? It's not even, it's early.
It's not even 10 o'clock yet.
It's 9:37.
Yeah, it's hot. So we're
The
packing
temperature's
up.
not bad. It's just literally
It's just steamy.
steamy.
Yeah, making my hair frizz.
So we're gonna go hit on.
Yep, we're almost all packed up. We're just gonna grab the tarp and a couple other things. Put it up in the tailgate and we're good to go. It's a such a pretty girl. Yes, you are. Bob's checking some fluids right now. Well, fluids all good?
Oh, yeah.
I think your best bet, because I know how to drive better than you. Hopefully he's gonna wait for me. Where are you going?
Did you want to cruise on down to the pond and have me go by?
I'm walking. I'm gonna walk down to the pond while they follow me. And now we're to the pond. This is a very beautiful view.
Man, that is so beautiful. The lake too.
Let me click my boots. Lily, you can scoot. Go ahead. Oh. All right, come on. What a gorgeous, gorgeous place.
Sorry.
I wasn't watching. Yeah. We're good. This is so cool. I'm literally sitting out the whoop. Getting a little shower here and there I am.
Yeah, you can see. So last night somebody did come that way. Must have saw our tracks and then they went that way.
Yeah.
Look. Whoever that is a cool dude. Alright, here we go.
Me hanging out the window. Keeping an eye on the truck top. We don't want to hit anything and pull the top off. Yellow flag. Gotta watch my head. We're just doing a little bit of exploring here before we explore a little bit before we head back.
Never know, we'll find a new camp spot on the way.
Yeah.
Look at this.